Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to merge shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, so here I have a couple of shapes, but what I'm trying to show you in this video how to merge shapes. So remember to watch this until the very end and subscribe for more tutorials. So first I'm going to actually try to create a car using merging shapes. So I'm going to go right over here, rectangle. I'm going to use a rectangle. So really basic car, all right, really basic car like this. Now we have here form for, and now let's add some wheels like this. V, shift M for the shape builder, but actually I need to add another circle. You can also press V, select, and Alt to create a copy. And now here, now I'll select everything. Make sure you select everything. That's very important. Shift plus M, and this is actually the shape builder. So remember to actually click here, shape builder, or you can also use the shortcut Shift plus M. And here, what I'm gonna do is actually go through all these lines here, and even this one and this one, and now it merged all the shapes here. As you can see now, if I press V or go here and I select, this is actually one shape. Now there's something here I missed, but if I select everything again and select this, go to path and just drag this, and now we don't have anything here, but yeah, now we have a shape. Now of course we can add other things here. For instance, we can also play with this and just change it so we can work on our car the way we want. And now, of course, you can model, that's not the right word, but now you can just change and design this car, but that's gonna take some time. But now, of course, we can add, let's say, a window. Let's say we go here and I'll add this window here and another one here that I will rotate. I hope this will work. V to select, move it around here, and now select everything. Go to the shape builder. And now what I need first, I need to remove this because this is supposed to be a window. So I'll press Alt, because now if I press Alt, instead of this plus that you see right close to the right besides, so right beside the mouse, the cursor, you should see this plus or minus, and you'll see the minus if you hold Alt. I'll hold Alt, which will remove this part. And of course now we don't need this as well, so I'll just remove this as well, and I'll now just combine this. So now, of course, now I should remove that part as well. So I'll combine this. Now we have a window. Now of course we can do more work here, so we can change, but that's something you can do. You can remove this anchor maybe here. I don't know, but that's how you can combine shapes in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any other additional questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll create a tutorial for you, even if it's a very simple question related to Adobe Premiere. There's something that you're wondering, there's something that you have a problem with in your project, let me know in the comment section and I'll create a tutorial for you. Even if it's a short tutorial, I'll create a tutorial for you. So don't hesitate to leave your questions down below. And I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials and leave a like if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.